Alright, today we have a toaster oven. It still works. You can turn on. It has light toast or dark toast. I think it does work. Now it's just going. It looks like the toaster oven works, and it's fine. It's very durable because the glass did not shatter. Dude. Oh shoot. Dude, that sucks. Honestly, it'd probably still work.
This is a memory of the toaster oven. He's been with me for many years. Now I have to part with him. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna go put him in his grave.
This fork right here, when I was pulling it in, kind of stuck it through the plywood, which also stuck it through the wall. So now we have a hole in the wall. I mean, it could probably work still. I mean, you could kind of make out a toaster oven if you just looked hard enough. Got the walls in the back. So this is the remains of the toaster oven. I'd say it held up pretty well. Right there. Do something cool. No. That's a good idea. It doesn't even light. Yeah, put it out.
Trying. Maybe if we stick it in, it'll work. You disgusting. They're not even worthless. Yay! Missed.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to play golf. So, some of the things you might need is you might need a golfing glove, a club, some balls, and a few tees. So the first step is to get prepared. So you're going to want to put your golfing glove on, like that. And then you pick your club. Bigger is better. Always pick the biggest club. Remember that. Good open area. I usually like to put it in this. That stays very good. You set your ball on it, and then you're ready to swing. Now, when you swing, you want to put your feet far apart, about 16 inches apart, and hold the golf club. You just want to hit the ball as hard as you can. Like that. Can you see how far that went?
It just hit the neighbor's house.
This is the 8-iron, and you want to hit this one when you want it to go really high, because it's called an iron because it's made out of iron. This is another iron to hit it. See how far it hits the ball? That's what you're going to want to do. Like that. And then it won't fall over and it won't get all dirty. Like that. And then now you're all set and ready to go. Now remember, guys, keep a wide stance. Squat your knees and swing really hard, okay? Point where you want it to go. You want it to go that way. Just like that. That was a good hit.
After you hit it once, you gotta go find your balls.
Yeah, that's
With the ball finder.
with the ball finder. So now the next step in golfing is you're gonna wanna go find the golf balls.
Yum yum.
So we've been looking for a while, and another pro tip for golfing: if you lose your ball, a good way to find it is you can just burn down all the grass to find your ball. and it's a lot faster.
Got the fire going.
Yeah.
If you look real close, see you found the golf ball. Yay! Yay!
I lost it again.
Now we just accidentally lost it again. Are you kidding?
Pour gas now. Got gas. That started pretty quickly.
The turf runner, good job.
So this is that toaster oven that we had earlier.
Still
And
is.
the final, you could probably use it still. It's decent condition. We're gonna do the final test. We're gonna see if it's fire resistant. So I'm gonna gently set it on right. Let's see how it does.
You poked her in her.
This is what remains of the toaster oven.